Welcome to the Auto Show, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive trends, and expert insights. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 Coupe, a vehicle that blends futuristic design with cutting-edge electric technology. This model builds upon the success of its predecessor, introducing refined styling, enhanced performance, and advanced features that make it a strong contender in the EV market. The exterior design of the 2025 Ioniq 5 Coupe is sleek and aerodynamic, characterized by a coupe-like silhouette that sets it apart from the standard Ioniq 5. Hyundai has focused on a sportier appeal, incorporating a sloping roofline, sharp LED lighting, and an aggressive front fascia. The vehicle rides on newly designed alloy wheels that complement its modern aesthetics, while the overall structure remains true to the brand's parametric pixel design philosophy. With an extended wheelbase and a lower stance, the Ioniq 5 Coupe offers a dynamic and athletic presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 Coupe features an improved electric powertrain, offering multiple battery options to cater to different driving needs. The standard model is equipped with a single-motor rear-wheel drive setup, delivering an estimated 225 horsepower, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant boasts an impressive 320 horsepower. The upgraded battery pack extends the driving range, with some variants reaching up to 350 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities remain a key highlight, allowing drivers to recharge from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes using a high-speed DC fast charger. Inside, the Ioniq 5 Coupe continues Hyundai's tradition of offering a spacious and tech-forward cabin. The minimalist dashboard is dominated by a dual-screen setup, featuring a large digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment display. Hyundai's latest software ensures seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, and real-time navigation updates. The materials used in the cabin are eco-friendly, with sustainable fabrics and recycled plastics contributing to a more environmentally conscious design. The front seats are designed for ultimate comfort, featuring heating, ventilation, and massage functions, while the rear seats offer ample legroom due to the vehicle's flat floor architecture. Technology and safety are top priorities in the 2025 Ioniq 5 Coupe. Hyundai's SmartSense suite comes standard, incorporating features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced driver assist system capable of semi-autonomous highway driving. The inclusion of a heads-up display with augmented reality enhances the driving experience by projecting essential information onto the windshield. A premium Bose sound system, wireless charging, and an advanced climate control system add to the vehicle's overall appeal. The driving dynamics of the Ioniq 5 Coupe are refined, with a well-balanced chassis and responsive handling. The instant torque from the electric motors ensures quick acceleration, while the adaptive suspension system provides a smooth ride across different terrains. Hyundai has also introduced a new regenerative braking system that allows for one-pedal driving, maximizing energy efficiency. With a competitive price tag, the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 Coupe is set to rival some of the top EVs in the market, offering a unique blend of style, performance, and technology. Whether you are looking for an efficient daily commuter or a stylish electric coupe with impressive capabilities, this model has something to offer. For more detailed reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates from the automotive world, make sure to subscribe to the Auto Show and stay tuned for more exciting content.